Hey guys, in this video we'll be unboxing the Dell OptiPlex 7780 all-in-one PC. So basically my dad purchased it for himself and I thought why just not review it. So in this video we'll be unboxing the contents, having a look at what is there inside the box, inside the massive box, it would be better. And sit back, relax, let's start with the video. So talking about the contents, the first one is the power cord which will go behind the monitor. Then we have the base which is slightly light and is made up of aluminium. Then we have the stand which is a bit sturdy, it's quite heavy also. And then we have the mouse and keyboard which is of the model 636. And talking about the hardware, as you can see of the mouse, we have the place to insert the battery and here we have the receiver. So finally talking about the monitor, it's a 27 inches Full HD 1080p display which is a IPS non-touch, but yeah, we do have the anti-glare coating and it's of 60 Hz, yeah, 60 Hz. So nowadays we do expect 90 Hz, but yeah, it's 60 Hz. So it has 60 Hz and then NTSC rating of 72%. Then talking about the mechanism, here's something interesting. One thing to notice is that while purchasing the monitor, I was quite unaware of the fact that the monitor would seem like this, because talking about the quotation which I got, the picture of the monitor, as you can see from the screen, it's like an outdated piece of machine. But when I got the machine delivered, it surprised me. Why? Because in this one, you can just tilt it and move it upside down or even rotate it. So I just liked the feature of this rotating the monitor, because if you are like a coder or a stock analyst who likes to review stocks and read lines and lines of comments, then this one is for you. So this is what my dad typically wanted, because it's like if you want to watch movies, you can just place it normally and you can watch it. But if you want to read something or type or do something else, you can easily rotate it. So talking about the camera, here I had an option to choose the IR or an HD camera, but this is the standard camera which I chose, and this is a pop-up camera, so that's pretty exciting. So pretty thin bezels, I would say, and not much surrounding. At the bottom we have the speaker and the output is really crisp and amazing, I would say. So talking about the specs, this one sports an Intel Core i7 processor which is having 8 cores and which is clocked at 2.9 GHz and which can go up to 4.8 GHz. Then it has 16 gigs of RAM in one slot, so if you want you can expand in another slot. 1 TB of SSD class 40, and then it has Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth version 5, and the specifications are in the screen. So as you can see, here we have the PC, and talking about the specifications, here as you can see that it's powered by the Intel i7-10700, and it has i7 16 gigs of RAM, out of which 15.7 GB is usable. And then let me just show you one audio track so that you can just have a better idea of how the performance is. So just let me visit my channel. So here it is, and यार subscribe कर दो अगर नहीं किया है तो आपने. And just let's play any random video which supports 4K like this one. Yeah. Hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about iPad for Indian students. So basically the educational system in India is the old traditional one. So as you can see here, it supports up to 4K. Let me just increase the volume. You can get the student discount, and there are certain preconditions which, so if you have a tight budget, to a maximum of 80s, it can go up to 80s, 84. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much loud, I would say. You won't have any issues regarding the volume, and it gives a very immersive feel, like a cinematic experience. Now talking about the ports behind the monitor, we have RJ45, 2 USBs with smart power, 2 USBs without smart power, HDMI, and other details are as follows in the screen. So all over talking about the PC, I really like the PC, the way you can just lift it up, the monitor, it's pretty easy and simple, it doesn't take much of strength. So pretty easy mechanism, pretty well built, and the sturdiness is very good. It doesn't fumbles. So yeah, just one thing to notice is that if you have like a furniture which is just above the monitor, then it becomes a bit difficult to rotate the screen, because you need to then just pull it out a bit and then rotate it. Because just one thing to notice is that while rotating it, you have to just first tilt the monitor a bit and then you can rotate it, or else you can end up scratching your base. So that's something to notice. Now talking about the viewing angles are also very good. The sound quality is very good, and the battery, wait, it's a PC, it doesn't have a battery. Yeah, Aditya, please stop. The performance is absolutely beast since it has 16 gigs of RAM, 1 TB of SSD, no HDD. So yeah, the performance is super class, and the main aim was to just have a great experience and no lagginess and something which you can use it for a longer period of time. So it has longevity, it has great build, great speakers, great display, and yeah, that's it. That's what a normal person requires in his day-to-day usage. So any specific questions, you can comment in the comment section down below, and if you liked it, do like it. If you don't like it, then it's up to you. And if you have any specific questions, do not forget to comment in the comment section down below. Do subscribe it if you haven't, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.